Alright, so in this lesson we're actually going to go out, and what we want to do is we want to find a way to get a route to expose menus for us. And we want those menus to be available in the hierarchy that they're built in our menu builder in our WordPress website. So if we log in and we take a look and we go to our appearance menus, we'll see that we have our main menu laid out, and we have it just as we always do in all of our inside out projects. We can see that we have our main menu there, and we want to be able to pull that out as it looks there, or as it functions on the front of the website. We want to be able to pull that out here inside of our JSON. The best way to do this is to use a plugin that's actually antiquated, and but it still remains quite safe, and it's a lot easier than writing your own plugin at the moment. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab a plugin. The link's available in this lesson, and that plugin is called WP API Menus. The scary part of it, yes, you can see it's 3 years, 4 years ago, 2 years ago is the last that it really was modified, but ironically it still works great, and we definitely want to go ahead and use it. We can see that it's even available here in WordPress. It does let you know, it gives you a warning that it's no longer being maintained. But for now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and download that menu. I have a one because I already have it downloaded, so don't be thrown by that. And what we're going to do is go into our WordPress plugins, and we're going to say add new. And this time, instead of searching for one, we're actually going to upload a plugin, and we're going to go out and choose that file. We're going to go find that, and we're going to open it up, and it's uploading it, and we're going to go ahead and say install now. It's installed, and we're going to say activate the plugin. Now that our plugin is activated, we really don't have any settings or anything to leverage inside of the admin area, but what we do have is this information here that'll help us understand how to use this, and we can see what our different routes are. And so now at this point we have menus, and we can call menu location ID, different pieces of information for the menus so that we can access them. We can see right here it's our WP JSON, and then outside of that is our menus version 2. And to actually go ahead and get the menus, what we would do is we'd actually just go ahead and use this route. So we can close this, and another way that we can find those routes is if we go into WP JSON just there. What it does is it lists out our routes for us, and we can see what our different routes are underneath routes, and you can see our menus is right there now. And these are all the different routes that you can call in WordPress WP Rest API. Pretty cool stuff. A lot of things that you can get, a lot of things you can do. You can see all kinds of information, and the list just goes on and on. It's quite a few. So we're going to get focused right back onto our menus, and what we're looking for is our menus. And we're going to look here, and it actually gives us a link to click on, and we can see that we have one menu. It's our main menu. There's our slug. Our slug is our URL friendly, SEO friendly URL. We can see that it's a nav menu, and we have a link here that will allow us to actually pull the menu itself out in JSON. And what's really cool is we can see now that we're getting that whole menu, and we're getting it in the hierarchy in which it was built, in which it's presented in the site, which is really great for us, because now all we have to do is ingest the data and throw it out to the page and build our elements based on the available JSON in here. So with that said, we'll leverage this plugin in different projects throughout Inside Out. And many of them will be with the applications that we build. We'll build our menus inside here and then just pull them out from here via the WP Rest API.